So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when your computer turns on again, it will then take you into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when your computer turns on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you don't see Command Prompt in this list, you want to click on Seam Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Command Prompt, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part, click on Enter. And now once that loads up, you want to type in list space VOL, click on Enter again. You want to take note of your Windows drive letter. You can identify which one is which by the drive size. For me, it's going to be my C drive. This is my Windows drive letter. For most of you guys, it's also going to be your C drive. So now once you identify your Windows drive, you want to type in exit and then click on Enter again. And now you want to type in your Windows drive and a colon. For me, it's going to be C colon and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in xcopy space and now your Windows drive letter with a colon / Windows / System32 / config / regback space your Windows drive letter followed by a colon / Windows / System32 / config and then click on Enter. For me, I don't have this problem, that's why nothing came up. But in your case, it's going to be saying something like overwrite C drive, and then it's going to say all of this again. Then it's going to ask you either yes, no, or all. You want to type in A and then click on Enter, which means all. So you want to type in A and then click on Enter. It should now be telling you that all the files have been copied. And now once you do all of that, we can now close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.